I'm Doc, and this is 10mm Tuesday. You know, it seems like every action movie, there's some faceless, anonymous prick chasing you on a motorcycle. Maybe you're trying to save the world. Maybe you're just trying to save the girl. What do? Well, I might have a solution. Get our bad guy set up. Now listen, before you go in the comments and say, bad guys don't wear Batman helmets, how do you know? You some bad guy expert? If so, maybe you need to be on a watch list. How about that? Got our bad guy. So, let's see if these 180 grains of screaming hot hollow point stop it has anything to say about this anonymous moto bad guy. Right in the bam. And it came out right by the kapow. I would say that bad guy is thoroughly dealt with. Let that be a lesson to you. 10mm Tuesday.